Good morning, student. I hope you all are well. So let's start with our new chapter, working with tables. So in this we will learn about creating tables in MS Access and LibreOffice Base. They both are the same softwares to make a database, as we work in MS Access in Windows and LibreOffice Base is used in Linux. So let us first understand what are the data types, which is a very important topic in this. So data types are the type of data which is used to make the database, which means whenever we are making a table or a database in an organized way, we need information for that, and that information is in which type. For example, if I am making a database of a student's record of your class, so I need your names, your roll numbers, and your phone numbers, your home address, and your photographs, and all type of data for the record purpose. So these all will include the data type, means the types of data we are going to use. So for roll number I am going to use the data type number, right? And for your name I'll use the data type text. So the data type determines the type of data that a particular column field can accept. So in LibreOffice Base there are so many types of data which is already installed, and you can update that. So for example, yes, no, attachment, date type, hyperlink, lookup wizard, text, number. These are the type of data which are used to make a data type. So let us understand some important data types. Which one is text? Text stores alphabets and numbers both. For example, I want to write Sonika 29. That means I am using text also and number also for the data type. So it will include text data types, but it has a limit of 255 characters. Next one is number, which stores numeric information 1 2 3 4 5 etc. Next one is memo, stores text and number both, but it has a limit of extra characters more than a text data type. Next one is auto number. Generates a sequential number whenever a new record is added to the table. For example, I want to generate a sequential number 1 2 3 4 5 in a sequential manner. So what will I do? I'll generate a auto number data type, which will automatically make that numbers in a particular sequence, and I don't have to write it again and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and this. Next one is date and time. So date and time are used for your date of birth, your date of joining, etc. So there is a particular format which is already installed in your software, so that you can put your date and time. You have seen this type of data in your phones also. So now let us understand how to make a database or using LibreOffice Base and MS Access. We will go to blank database. You can see this screen. We are not using any format. We are making a new database. Then on the right side they'll ask for your file name, whatever name you want to give to your file. See, in this we do not have to save the file after making it. First we save the file and then make it. So this type of window will appear on your screen. So there are basically two types of database to make a table. One is datasheet view and second one is design view. Here we can see datasheet view. Usually we work on design view, which will we will do further. So let us first understand this datasheet view in a short way. We can see ID here and click to add. ID is a automatically generate number, which I have told you that the type of data auto number in which you can generate sequential number. So ID is already having a auto number data type. So these are the already format. You can edit according to your need. So this is a datasheet view, and if you want to use a design view, we'll do it further in the next topic. For today, that is enough. We'll start working on design view tomorrow, because that is the most important view to make a database. Thank you and have a nice day.